What's up, everybody? John with John's Pressure Washing here. Got another video for y'all. So today we're going to be talking about price points and my setup and how much it costs and how much I've spent. You know, rough estimate. Prices might change since then, but this is what I use when I go out on a job. And yeah, I'm going to explain the prices and things I've upgraded or just the prices. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start out pretty small as far as pricing goes. So this is what I started off with. A regular garden hose, probably 50-foot garden hose, ran me about $20, maybe less than that, at Ace. This hose right here, Flexzilla, is probably the best hose I've ever used, probably about 50 feet. I think it's 5/8 in ID. Anyways, it's so good because I have the connections that go into the water hose, and then, you know, the male and the female, you can tighten them pretty easily. So that was a good investment. That's probably gonna run you about $30. Surface cleaners, these are the ones that I got. These are gonna help you with flat work, concrete, driveways, etc. This one right here was probably, I think at the time was 130, maybe. I can't remember. It was about 2 years or a year ago since I bought it. But about 130, and that's an 18-inch surface cleaner. That is metal. This one I just upgraded or got this year. This is the Evage 16.5-inch, 4,000 PSI surface cleaner. And it's about 1.5 inches smaller than that. Sometimes that's all you need. Anyways, I got this one because I wanted to see the difference in how fast I could walk versus this one. And the rule of thumb is gallons per minute times 4. So the surface cleaner I have is a 4 gallon per minute is a 4 GPM. So you want to do that times 4. Obviously that is 16. That's going to be perfect for you. Some people say the 18-inch surface cleaner works just fine for them. You just got to figure out your pace and speed and how fast you're walking. Of course, if you're pre-treating as well, that does add into it. But I've been using that DeWalt for a while, and I use this one twice. And in my opinion, I feel like this is what I need. All right, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. This pressure washer surface cleaner is probably 120, probably 130. You don't necessarily need them. You can get cheaper ones, but I had the money at the time, so I got it. The DeWalt pressure washer is a 4 GPM, 4,400 PSI. Came with this 50-foot hose, a gun, a wand. It did not come with these attachments. It came with these nozzles right here. Altogether, plus tax, probably $9.50. This is what I started. I actually started off with a $100 pressure washer that I got at the pawn shop. And it was like a 2.1, 2.2 GPM. Very low pressure. I did my first house with it. Anyways. It took me a long time. This is an upgrade from that. This whole setup's going to cost you right $9.50. That was a year ago. I don't know about now. And then I just got this out. This right here is a 2-gallon pump-up sprayer. This particular one was $20, I believe. And it's probably time for a new one because, as you can see, it's getting ran through. So, but with this pump-up sprayer, this is the very first one I bought. I made $60 with it in about 2 hours with that $100 pressure washer. So, anyways, so for probably under $1,200, you can get this setup, a hose, or you could probably have family members that you can get a hose from. You know what I mean? Tell your dad or your uncle you get two 50-foot hoses, boom, just in case. And I'm sure your dad or uncle got something like that going on. These, however, are different. You probably have to order those, but like I said, you can get a cheaper one. And the amount of GPM your pressure washer is pushing out, so this one is 4, so you do 4 GPM times 4 is 16. That's what you're going to want to, that's going to give you your best run for your money right there. So if you got a, just throwing numbers out here, if you got a 3 GPM pressure washer times 4 is 12. They make 11-inch pressure washers I've seen here and there. I mean surface cleaners, so you could definitely do that. Moving on to the nozzles. This one cost me about $60. You can change the fan tip, do all kinds of stuff with that, reach higher. This is a turbo nozzle. This is a Walmart brand. The Hyper Tough cost me about $25, maybe $30 now. This probably cost me 15 bucks. This is just like a soap sprayer, but you can increase, like I use this to rinse stuff off. I need to get like a, there's other attachments, but we're not here to talk about that. So you look at this, that hose, and that DeWalt surface cleaner. We got $950 plus another 30 plus 130, that's 160. 9, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11. Probably about $1,300. But you can get cheaper equipment with less. So, anyways, guys, that's what my setup is right now. Working on getting better stuff. So, anyways, yeah, guys, hope y'all like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If I have any questions or comments, feel free to drop one below. Yeah, y'all have a good day.